I am Agila Devi, Assistant Professor of Computer Science, A.D.M College for Women, Autonomous, Nagapattinam. I am going to discuss about what is C, identifier, constant, variable and data types. General aspect of C. C was originally developed in the 1970s by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Telephone Laboratories. C is a high-level, general-purpose structured programming language. The instruction of C consists of terms that are very closely same to algebraic expressions, consisting of certain English keywords such as if, else, for, to and while. C contains certain additional features that allows it to be used at a lower level, acting as bridge between machine language and the high-level language. This allows C to be used for system programming as well as for application programming. Character set of C. C language consists of some character set, numbers and some special symbols. The character set of C consists of all the alphabet of English language. The C consists of alphabet, numeric, special symbols. The words formed from the character set are building block of C and are sometimes known as tokens. These tokens represent the individual entity of language. The following different types of tokens are used in C, such as identifiers, keywords, constant, operators and punctuation symbols. Identifiers. A C program consists of two types of element, user-defined and system-defined. The identifier is nothing but name given to these elements. An identifier is a word used by a programmer to name a variable, function or label. The identifier consists of letters and digits in any order except that the first character are labeled. The identifier consists of letters and digits if any order except the first character must be a letter. Both uppercase and lowercase letters can be used. Keywords. Keywords are nothing but system-defined identifiers. The keywords are reserved words of the language. They have specific meaning in the language and cannot be used by the programmer as variable or constant name. C is case sensitive. It means that must be used as it is 32 keyword in C programming. Variables. A variable is nothing but a name given to a storage area that our program can manipulate. Each variable in C has a specific type which determines the size and layout of the variable memory. The range of values that can be stored with that memory and the set of operations that can be applied to the variable. The name of a variable can be composed of letters, digit and underscore character. It must begin with either a letter or an underscore. The uppercase and lowercase letters are distinct because C is case sensitive. There are following basic variable types: type, description, char, int, float, double, void. The char is type of char is typically a single octet. This is an integer type. Int means the most natural size of integer for the machine. Float means a single precision floating point value. Double means a double precision floating point value. Void means represent the absence of type. Constant. A constant is a value or an identifier whose value cannot be changed in a program. For example, 1, 2.5. As mentioned, an identifier also can be defined as a constant. Example, const double pi equal to 3.14. Here, pi is a constant. Basically, what it means is that pi and 3.14 is same for this program. Integer constant. An integer constant is a numeric constant associated with number without any fractional or exponential part. There are three types of integer constant in C programming, such as decimal constant base 10, octal constant base 8, hexadecimal constant base 16. Floating point constant. A floating point constant is a numeric constant that has either a fractional form or an exponential form. For example, 2.0 minus 0.22 e minus 5. Character constant. A character constant is a constant which use single quotation around character. For example, single quotation of A. Next, string constant. The string constant or the constant which are enclosed in a pair of double quotation mark. For example, with double quotation of good. Operators. An operator is a symbol which operates on a value or a variable. For example, plus is an operator to perform addition. C programming has wide range of operators to perform various operations such as arithmetic operator, increment and decrement operator, assignment operator, relational operator, logical operator, conditional operator, bitwise operator, special operators. Arithmetic operators. Operator plus means addition or unary plus, minus means subtraction or unary minus, stick means multiplication, slash means division, percentage means modulo division. Real arithmetic. An arithmetic operation involving only real operand is called real arithmetic. A real operand may assume values either decimal or exponential notation. Since floating point values are rounded to the number of values, significant digit permissible. For example, x, y, z value is 6.0, 1.0, 2.0. Next, mixed mode arithmetic. When one of the operand is real and the other is integer, the expression is called a mixed mode arithmetic expression. Example, 15/10 equal to 1 and 15/10.0 equal to 1.5. Increment and decrement operators. C programming has two operators, increment and decrement, to change the value of an operand or variable by 1. The increment increase the value by 1, whereas decrement decrease the value by 1. These two operators are unary operators, the only operand on a single operand. Example, int a equal to 10, b equal to 100. Increment of a equal to 11, decrement of b equal to 99. Assignment operator. An assignment operator is used for assigning a value to a variable. The most common assignment operator is equal to. For example, equal to, the operator symbol is equal to. Example, a equal to b, same as a equal to b. Plus equal to means a plus equal to b, the same as a equal to a plus b. Equal to means a minus equal to b, a equal to a minus b. Stick a asterisk equal to a asterisk equal to b, a equal to a asterisk b. Slash equal to means a slash equal to b, a equal to a slash b. Percentage equal to means a percentage equal to b, a equal to a percentage b. Relational operators. A relational operator checks the relationship between two operands. If the relation is true, it returns 1. If the relation is false, it returns value 0. The relational operators are used in decision making and loop. These are the example of operator, meaning of operator and example. Equal to means 5 equal to 3, it returns 0. Greater than means 5 greater than 3, it returns 1. Less than means 5 less than 3, it returns 0. Not equal to means 5 not equal to 3, it returns 1. Greater than or equal to 5 means 5 greater than or equal to 3, it returns 1. Logical operator. C has the following 3 logical operators and or not. The logical operator and are used when we want to test more than one condition and make decision. Example, a greater than b and x equal to 10. Conditional operators. The conditional operator is also called as ternary operator. To construct conditional expression of the form is expression 1 first in expression 2 colon of expression 3. These are the syntax of conditional operator, where expression 1, 2 and 3 is called as expressions. Example, equal to 10, b equal to 15, x equal to a greater than b, question of a to b, then x equal to 15. Bitwise operator. C has a distinction of supporting special operator known as bitwise operator or manipulation of data bit level. These operators are used for testing the bit or shifting them left to right. operator and or not and shift left and shift right. Next, data types. A data type specifies the type of data that a variable can store, such as integer, floating, character, etc. The data types specify how we enter data into our program and what type of data we enter. C language has some predefined set of data types to handle various kinds of data that we can use in our program. These data types have different storage capacity. First one is integer type. The integers are used to store whole numbers, size and range of integer type on 16-bit. These are the type, size, range. Int or signed int, unsigned int, short int or signed short int. Int for the type of int is size 2, the type of short int is 1 and range is -32. 76823277 and short int type is size 1 and -1282127. Unsigned short int size is 1 and range is 0 to 255. Unsigned long int and size is 4 and range is 0 to 4, 294, 967 and 295. Floating point type. The floating type are used to store real numbers. The type of float is size 4 and range is 3.4e minus 38 to 3.4e plus 38. The type of double is size 8 and 1.7e minus 308 to 1.7e plus 308. Character type. The character types are used to store character value. The type is char in size 1, range -128 to 127. Unsigned char is size 1 and range is 0 to 255. And void type. The void type means no value. This is usually used to specify the type of functions which return nothing. We will get acquainted to this data type as we start learning more advanced topic in C language like function, pointer, etc. Derived data type. Array. Array are sequence of data items having homogeneous values. They have adjacent memory location to store. The array in C stores multiple values of the same data type. That means we can have an array of integer, char, float, double, etc. Next, pointers. A pointer is just a variable that stores the address of another variable. A pointer can store the address of variable of any data type. Next, user-defined data type. Struct. Struct is a composite structure that can contain variables of different data types. Union. With the union, you can store different data type in the same memory location. The union can have many members, but only one member can have a value at one time. The union is thus a special kind of data type in C. Next, enumeration. The enumeration data type enhances the readability of the code. If you have integer constant in the code that can be reused or clubbed together, we can use enum to define the constant. Thank you.